The fact that we are dealing with an explosion of data all around us is not lost on anyone. A lot of time is in board meetings is spent on data strategy. If you're an offline retailer, your board is bound to deliberate how to leverage your data to get ahead of online retail. If you are running a movie theater or running an OTT platform, your lead investor is bound to ask you to use your data and stay ahead of Hotstar or Netflix. Data teams today are front and center in every organization. They have become a function within the entire organization, be it a startup to a 150-year-old enterprise or old conglomerate as well. LinkedIn alone lists about 1 million jobs across data science and business analytics today. What is less understood, however, is that data is not easy to handle and use at scale. Processing, storing, and extracting value from large data set is a challenging task. Moreover, this is a rapidly compounding problem with 90% of 44 zettabyte of global data was being created in the just last 2 years alone. Our experience is that it hasn't been easy, even for a mature startup to a large enterprise with all the dollars to spend or invest and the best people to hire to put together a cohesive data strategy is definitely not easy. Part of this has to do with a lack of experience. A lot of teams are learning as they go and making often expensive mistakes along the way as well. This is further drilled by a fairly complicated and rapidly evolving data stack. While the foundation for modern data stack has been laid in various advancements in the last 1 decade, many issues of dealing with data have still not been addressed. Having a single source of truth is still a utopian pursuit. Excel sheets are still a core component of most data pipelines, and managing enormous data assets is large and growing problem. In addition to this, enterprise architecture where various teams need to collaborate and access, at times working in silos to maintain, utilize, and extract value from data. Data stack is nearly impossible as well. My name is Chethan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Syntactic AI. Syntactic AI is a modern end-to-end data intelligence platform for businesses to unlock, understand, and enrich data to build intelligent applications and smarter businesses at scale. At Syntactic, we truly realize that data management, data operations, and building models and deployment of these models into production is becoming hard and complex day by day. There is a need of something to stitch all of them together. So what's missing is a system connecting all the elements of the entire data lifecycle in an end-to-end fashion, and that's our role. Today, we focus on some of the most operational centric and customer centric use cases like projections, demand forecasting, customer 360, customer lifetime value, and segmentation kind of use cases. So how are we doing it, or how are we even different from the current players in the market? By new way of thinking about data repositories, we combine both the power of data lake and data warehouse, emerging into data lakehouse as an architecture by enabling organization to extract value not only from the structured data sources or unstructured, but real-time streaming data sets as well, which is almost saving about 70% of the time in getting the solid and the best data infrastructure required for any company. With a comprehensive data operations layer, we catalog the data, monitor quality of data sets, and ensure that they're secure and responsibly used as well. With our ML, that is machine learning operation framework and machine learning runtime, we allow data scientists to choose the right model and features required for any particular use case, in turn enabling them to deploy models into production faster using a hybrid multi-cloud approach. Above all, collaboration is one of the very much important key features that we bring on table, be it in creating models, querying results, or making sense of insights. Bringing the entire data life cycle under a centralized and closed environment is our goal. With our beta, we have been working with high-growth startups to SMEs and some of the large enterprises across North America and India since September 2020. And with that, today we are doing an MRR of monthly 14,000 US dollars on subscription and aiming at getting 300% growth by next quarter and reaching about 40,000 MRR as on subscription. Also, we are aiming to get 80,000 to 100,000 MRR by first quarter of 2023 before we reach our Series A round. And to attain that, today we are looking to raise a seed investment of $1 million with a current commitment of 300K already received as part of the seed round. We believe that data is the next big digital revolution, bigger and more disruptive than the web, and truly are convinced that everybody should be part of it. That's why we want to enable business leaders to bring in data-driven decision making across their entire organization without adding pressure on existing teams or budgets or technology choices that they have. This is truly an opportunity to be part of the next DataCon. And if you are interested to join us in this journey, please reach out to me at Chethan at syntactic.ai. Thank you so much.